Today, I'm going to show you how to apply for Express Entry to Canada and boost your score so you get invited faster. First, check your eligibility on the official government website. You will need to meet the requirements for one of the three programs. You have here the Canadian Experience Class, Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Traders Program. How to the Express Entry process work? You simply have to create a profile and enter the pool. They will invite the candidates with the most points in rounds. If you are invited to apply, fill out the application. They will review your application and make decision. Now, who can apply? You should choose here the eligibility from this place. Now, once you have done that, how can you improve your score? Now, there is this article made by the Canada Visa website, which helps you to understand it more. First of all, you need to understand that there is a CRS score. You will need to improve many things through this profile. So you need to actually have a really good language. So language is an example of a valuable factor within the CRS and can be worth up to 310 CRS points when combined with other factors. So this number can rise further to 320 if the applicant is married or in a common law relationship. So this is a very, very high factor. Second thing is education. The highest your education level is, the highest degree you have, the most score you will get. Third option, which is if you have spouse or partner as a principal applicant. This could boost you a lot in the points. Also work experience, if you did work in Canada or any kind of countries, you have work experience that will boost you a lot. And proactivity, prepare for an ATA or provincial nomination. And finally, contact them for assistance. Whenever you are trying to actually make a profile, make sure that you are reading these articles, contacting them, checking with them if your profile meets their requirements and expectations, and fix all the problems that they are noticing and give it to you. So make sure to listen to their feedback. And yeah, this is as simple as that.